Advantages and disadvantages of digital footprint or digital trail. What is digital footprint? A digital footprint is the data that is left behind by users on digital services. Or a digital footprint is a trail of data you create while using the internet. It includes the websites you visit, emails you send, and information you submit to online services. In this day and age, we are all living in a digital world in almost all aspects of our life. Modern technology today has made life more convenient for many of us. With the internet and everything connected to it, such as online shopping, instant messaging, and video chatting, it seems as if technology that is to be developed in the future is endless. This began said there is a downfall to using technology. With the internet, everything is interconnected, and there are problems that may arise from this. One of these problems is your digital footprint, and who has access to your digital footprint. Types of digital footprint. Passive digital footprint. Passive digital footprints can be stored in many ways depending on the situation. In an online environment, a footprint may be stored in an online database as a hit. The footprint may track the user's IP address when it is created and where they came from, with the footprint later being analyzed. In an offline environment, a footprint may be stored in files which can be accessed by administrators to view the actions performed on the machines without seeing who performed them. Active digital footprint. Active digital footprints can also be stored in many ways depending on the situation. In an online environment, a footprint can be stored by a user being logged into a site when making a post or change, with the registered name being connected to the edit. In an offline environment, a footprint may be stored in files when the owner of the computer uses a keylogger, so logs can show the actions performed on the machine and who performed them. One feature of Keylogger is to monitor the clipboard for any changes. This may be problematic as the user may copy passwords or take screenshots of sensitive information which is then logged. Advantages of digital footprint. Fraudulent activities can be tracked down using digital footprints. Companies can recommend items to users based on the customer's preference. Personalization. The convenience of stored information that can be retrieved quickly. Recruiters can find the right candidates for job positioning using digital footprints. Disadvantages of digital footprint. Personal data can be used to generate revenue without our knowledge. It can be annoying and distracting to be constantly inundated with advertisements and information. Purchase behavior data can be used as a basis to reduce credit limits or increase interest rates. Here are some ways to protect your digital footprint. Delete all tracking cookies and browsing history from your computer regularly. Review security settings on social networks and stay updated on new features and settings. Make sure to use the latest version of your internet browser. Internet Explorer 10 has extra built-in security. Choose a safe and secure password that are unique to each log and be sure to change them regularly. Use cash instead of credit cards. Opt out of providing personal identifiable information. Remember that anything posted in public as the information is stored on a server network. Research yourself. By doing this, one can see what type of information follows them and is a part of their digital footprint. Think before posting. This will allow for time to consider whether or not this is something that should be a part of one's digital footprint. Sources say that those who do not consider all possible implications of what they post on the internet may be negatively affected when looking for employment. Highlight attractive traits and qualities. Using the internet and social media outlets to highlight one's greatest attributes and qualities will allow the person to be seen in a positive light. Since it is already known that digital footprints are evaluated by potential job employers and universities in the application process, then applicants should use that to their benefit and to make them look attractive. Thank you.